All right, so a lot of people have been asking me about million money. What is million money? What is smart contracts? How is million money a good business? Is this something that will last for a very long time? Well, I will give you my verdict at the end of this video, but let's just check the platform together. Right, so what is million money and how does it work? And how does it make money? And how can you make money with it? So they say it's a smart contract, the fastest, easiest, and risk-free to earn 1,500 Ethereum every 100 days, right? So how possible is that? The only way you can earn 100 Ethereum, ETH means Ethereum, is if you are a miner or you have a business that you're doing that can generate you such amount of Ethereum. Otherwise, uh, the business you think you're doing might be a scam, right? So right now we're going to check what are these guys doing that makes them, have the confidence of giving you 1,500 Ethereum every 100 days, right? So let's read further. Uh, how everything is working, absolutely no risks, available to everyone, instant payouts. Okay, I'm trying to see the business they are doing that will make them give you that kind of returns. I've actually read through, but let's read through together. Passive income every 100 days. We've said that already. Easy starts. Now this place doesn't tell you how the business works. What are they doing to generate the money, right? So if they can't tell you, then it's definitely a Ponzi scheme. So smart contract will exist as long as the blockchain exists. As long as the blockchain exists, Ethereum. What does that mean? And if okay, Ethereum, the full stop, then Ethereum and even the creators of smart contracts. Okay, so how does smart contracts make the money for you guys? They didn't say. This is the best. Okay, marketing plan. So, all right, how it works doesn't tell you how to make money. They just say smart contract will exist. Yes, we know smart contract will exist. Smart contract is something real. As you can see here, a smart contract is a computer protocol intended to digitally facilitate, verify, or enforce the negotiation or performance of a contract. So the same way you have a physical contract with somebody, you can actually have a smart contract that is using a blockchain, right? So the function of a smart contract is to make sure that the deal between two parties, goes as planned, because is a computer protocol intended to digitally facilitate, verify, or enforce the negotiation of or performance of a contract, right? So the work of a smart contract is to enforce, verify, and facilitate. So what is the work of smart contracts in million money? What is the smart contract validating? What is it enforcing? What business is it enforcing between you, the investor, and the owners of smart contract of million money? Obviously, they didn't say anything about that. So what are they enforcing, right? So let's come back to see now something else. Now, if you check uh, their their marketing plan, you will notice they have 5 lines, right? Okay, this is registration. The project is the process. This is level one, and you can see line one, where you have 2 times 0.03. This means you have to bring two users, and this you have to get four. You have to bring 4 people, 4 partners, 2 line. So that means you have to bring 4 people here. You have to bring 8 people here. And if you look at this structure, that is how Ponzi scheme is. Now let's see what Ponzi is. A Ponzi is a form of fraud that lures investors and pays profits to earlier investors with funds from more recent investors. You see, a very good example of this kind of Ponzi is MMM, very popular. And a perfect example is Matrix. Matrix, Matrix came out. Okay, oh, they will give us a movie. Let me see Super Matrix. No. Zaphon is a very good example. Now, for those of you that started cryptocurrency, I'm not sure the website will still be going through. I doubt it will still be going through. Let's see. Let me get the images. All right, so see how Zaphon works. Zaphon is designed exactly like Million Money, just that the only difference is that Zaphon was using Bitcoin, to steal people's money. Why Million Money right now is using Ethereum. They both have the same business model. As you can see, Zaphon website is gone, but let's see some pictures from Zaphon, how it worked. Which of them should I use? Which of them should I use right now? Okay. All right. So I will work with. Let's work with this first one. So it's loading. All right. Let's see if I can click that up to open up so that I can see get a quick picture. All right. So Zaphon is open. Zaphon strategy 2x2 matrix. Upgrade profits received, blah 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 blah. Now here's how Zaphon works. Now you have level one. Level one, you come in with $20, which was as at then 0.03 was $20, and then you bring two persons, and then these two persons will give you 0.03 each. That's why you're getting 0.06, because 0.03 times 2 will give you 0.06. Right now, to upgrade to the next stage, you take out, you keep 0.01 for yourself, and then take out 0.05, and you pay to the next person. Then you move to the next level, and then once you get to the next level, you get into 0.05 level, and then 4 people will be assigned to give to you. Is it that you bring these 4 people yourself, or anybody that signs up to the network will automatically pay you from any part of the world? So what is the business model here? There's no business model. It's clearly a what? A Ponzi scheme. Why? Because 2 persons are going to pay you, and then 8 persons are going to pay you, and then 16 persons are going to pay you. But what business are you guys doing to? It's just Ponzi, right? So let's go back to the definition of Ponzi so we can check it out. So it's loading. So a Ponzi scheme is a form of fraud that lures investors and pays profits to earlier investors with funds from more recent investors, right? So if you come in late, you have to pay those at level 4. If you come in level 3, you have to pay people level 6. Now check out this. Check out what we have here. This diagram, right? Level 1, level 2 to level 5, and how 2 people have to pay you, 4 people have to pay you, 8 people have to pay you, and then check out what we have in Million Money. It's exactly the same thing. 2 people have to pay you, 4 people have to pay you, 8 people have to pay you. This is 1, 2, 3, 16 people have to pay you, 32. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So these guys are just recycling a Ponzi scheme with a different name. Who knows, it might be the same person. Now, where's the Zaphon website today? Click here, click today to get started. Zaphon is dead. As you can see, this guy used his referral link to get you into the platform, right? But Zaphon is dead. Zaphon is gone. Why? Because it is not a good business. It's a Ponzi scheme, and you lure people in to, to give you money, and there's no real business attached to it. All right, so with that said, we just saw a very good comparison. This is it, and this is Zaphon, and Zaphon is gone. Zaphon was around in 20 some. All right, they have 100 levels, and current gas price. Now, gas price is just transaction fee. That's another way for word for gas price. Of course, it's fast. Ethereum has a block confirmation time of 15 seconds. What else? Income pattern. Basically, this is just Zaphon. This is just a rebate of Zaphon, right? So there's no business model. There's nothing they're doing. Where's the project? Kind of transaction? Blah 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 blah. All right. So smart contract address. Let's check that out. Now, what these guys are those doing is they are taking real words that have a real world meaning, right, and using it to scam people, right? Smart contract is a thing, yes. Smart contract exists. Smart contract, we've seen it. It's something that exists in real life. But telling people you can use smart contract to make money for free in 100 days is scam. Smart contract is another word for digital contract, or contract that executes on its own. All right, so be careful, guys. I'm doing this video because a lot of people have contacted me to say, hey Sam, I've been hearing about million money, I've been hearing about smart contracts. Does smart contract make money? I'm like, how can smart contract make you money? The only way a smart contract can make you money is if you tell the smart contract do something. For example, let me give you a typical example. So of how smart contracts can be used. Now, smart contracts is used with blockchain, obviously, and Ethereum uses smart contracts. And this is another blockchain, EOS. Now, assuming the real estate platforms or real estate in Nigeria was using smart contracts, here's how it will work. Now, you will come to this real estate website, assuming this is a real estate website, and type my name, Sam Sticks, Joe. And then the reason why I typing my name is because I actually sent you a message. I said, hey, I want to sell I want to sell 24 plots of land. Let's assume this is 24, right? So all you need to do is come to the real estate Block Explorer. There's something called Block Explorer. Block Explorer is the website where you come to check information about a property you want to buy. So once you search my name, and then the real estate platform will tell you, hey, Sam Six actually bought a land. I'm just giving you a wide example, 2 years ago, and this is the details of the land, the house, so on and so on. It's now for you to buy this land for me, all you need to do is send a message or an amount of money. As you can see, it will you'll see a receive. All you just need to do is send an amount of money. Let's assume this is the price. So once you send this amount of money to a smart contract, the smart contract will now receive this money and automatically transfer the ownership of this land to you. You see? So if you type smart, go to Google and type smart contracts in real estate, you will see what I'm talking about. In real estate, you see smart contract and real estate, as you can see. So are they trying to say smart? Are they trying to say smart contracts or million money and real estate? That's not what they're trying to say. You see, they are just trying to tell you what I just explained. Smart contract can be used in real estate. So what that means is that you want to buy a property online. You once you pay the amount of money needed to buy that land, the smart contract will automatically release the money, the real estate, the landed property to you. That is what smart contracts are used for. Smart contract is used to execute a business. Why these guys are trying to scam you, by using this big grammar to make you feel smart contract is for something else. No. What is the business that was done for you to earn 1,500 Ethereum? There was no business. So what they're just trying to do is that they're trying to bring back an old dead Ponzi scheme, which I've shown you an example. Let's see if this guy had or have the dates this article was published. It doesn't, but this is Zap. Okay, this is 2016, and this is 2020. As you can see, so it's an old Ponzi scheme that they're trying to bring back in another way. So be careful, guys. Don't lose your money to Ponzi scheme. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel so that I can keep getting valuable and legit information about cryptocurrency and blockchain, and definitely how to invest. And also, if you want to know how to invest in cryptocurrency, in blockchain, how to differentiate between scam cryptocurrencies and scam blockchain, how just to make money legitimately with cryptocurrency. Now, do make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to like this video so people can get to. So on this platform, which I'll drop the video in the description, you can learn a lot about blockchain and cryptocurrency and how to make money with them legitimately without losing your money. Why this particular course here is for anyone who wants to learn how to trade, right? And the other course there is actually free. All right, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see ya.